Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to another Jacob Cryptobury video. Today we're going to check out Vechain, look at some bullish news which I think can catalyze some really strong price action, and we are in a very important trading pattern right now as well on the charts, and I want to highlight this to you because I think it could be something very big, and I'm talking about a massive pump to the upside. So let's do watch to the end of the video if you want to see what the analysis looks like. But I'm seeing a really juicy pattern, and I've seen this many times before, and I think we're going to get a massive bounce to the upside in the next few days. So I just want to also say thanks to Mark, Peter, Alb, Kara, Jordan Barber, amazing patrons. It's really nice to see the continued support. If you're new here, also do smash the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below and say hi and let me know what you're investing in today. I'd love to know what sort of coins you're bullish on. So as we can see on Vechain's website announcing VUSD, Vechain For's first stablecoin enabling Web3 DeFi sustainability objectives and more. Now this news is slightly old, but it's really good to see that they are launching these stablecoins. As we can see, the arrival of a fully native stablecoin opens up a world of possibilities for Vechain 4. These are endless application scenarios for a stablecoin in the world's leading enterprise-grade smart contract platform. So it's really nice to see that kind of thing playing out. We can also see that on their Twitter, they have a new trading pair as well. So the V4 and the Vechain right here, a new trading pair. So that's pretty bullish to see. And they're also dabbling in with play to earn, as we can see, the Exo Worlds NFT. And it's very nice to see that they're dabbling in with these kind of different revenue streams, different markets and different communities as well. If you have a look at January 26th, they have also released their financial covering fiscal year 2021. So if you want to look into absolutely everything about the project and you're new to Vechain, I recommend firstly reading the white paper and also go through the fiscal report that they have publicized. So that's all there. That information is all for you to do your own research, and I recommend always looking at the white paper, the tokenomics, and reading about the performance of the project over the year. So let's jump into the price. We can see that Vechain is trading at $0.056 with a 9.5% pump on the day. So we had a massive pump today. As you can see, almost 10% increase. That's pretty bullish, and very excited for the future of this project. You can see we're in an absolute lull at the moment. If you contrast to the previous areas, this looks like a huge undervaluation reaccumulation zone, and this is why I think it's important to dollar cost average around these particular levels. It looks really good. So let's hop into that lovely price analysis. But first, if you do want to become a patron, you can find that down in the description below. You'll receive an ebook, one-on-one messaging, and also hop into the Discord. We've got lots of new people here now, about 70 people strong. It will be capped around 250, so make sure you hop into the Discord, become a patron if you want to support. You can find it all in the link down below. So Vechain, really important level of consolidation at the 0.056 price level. As you can see, we had that massive support level lost on this big horizontal. When we lost support at 0.0787, we knew that if we did lose the support, the next level was so much lower down, and we found that support at around 0.044, so it already took a nice bounce since. But the thing is, we've already corrected so hard. If we get the Fibonacci retracement, you can see that we came below the 1 level. So we've corrected really hard, more aggressively than I could actually possibly have anticipated. Even if we check the first original impulse against that, we're still under that 0.786 level. So what I think is going to happen, we're under that 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. We're in this consolidation, and we've got a massive daily green candle, which does look really strong. When you go into the 4-hour time frame, you see that we're in this nice consolidation phase. We got those higher lows. We had massive buying strength here when we came down to 0.044, huge recovery, and you can see support, lots of resistance. We're getting that converging tension, and I think this could be a real key area where we get a bounce to the upside, perhaps retesting that 0.074 resistance level up there. So if we do break out of confirmation and big volume, we're looking at a 30% pump to the upside. Just wait for that breakout, wait for the retest on the support, and then if you get that juicy volume to the upside, that's where you see these bigger price actions come through. And I do think it's likely that we're going to retest this 0.068 support level, resistance level, sorry, in the very near future, because we've seen it with many projects where we just get these bounces out of these undervaluation zones. And it's very likely, I think, the chance of downside is much lower than upside right now, because we've already seen such a harsh correction from this swing high here. We've already come down 70%, guys. So there's not really much room for downside activity unless you're talking 0.032, which is the next support level, all the way down here. So right now I'm very bullish on the price, and I think that we are going to see a pump to the upside if we see Bitcoin, you know, also pumping, and the rest of the market needs to thrive. We're looking really green all around, and it looks very bullish, but hopefully this isn't like a dead cat bounce or anything like that. We don't want the false hope. So if we can break through the 20-day moving average, that's when we'll look pretty bullish. I think last time we had a big correction, you know, we broke to the upside, came up 162%, then we corrected again and we increased 100% on that. So even if we were to assume a diminishing return, let's assume we got 100% or 75%, you know, we're coming back in to the huge symmetrical triangle that we do have. And I think it's likely that we're going to come back into that, leaning towards those $0.1, you know, levels once again. And that is a big area of resistance, as we can see at that $0.1 level. So all of these previous swing highs, they're all resistance levels. I do think we're going to see that 0.056 turn into $0.074 very soon. So keep your eye out on this consolidation pattern. We might see continuation now. We might see a break to the upside. We've had all of this juicy momentum, and I think we're likely to see it, but just beware that we could bounce from here back down to 0.052, but I think it's looking extremely bullish, guys. So keep your eye on that. And that's about a wrap, really. So if you like the video, guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that like, leave a comment down below, consider becoming a patron, and before you go, make sure you read the description and join the Discord. This is where people are sharing projects. We're talking about DeFi, chart analysis, and just, you know, general chit chat. So make sure you join the Discord down below, and I will see you there, and make sure you say hi to everyone. So see you in the next video, and bye for now, guys.